Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominic, an animal scientist. On this video, we are going to discuss about how to formulate our own chicken feeds for our Kienyeji or local chickens, otherwise known as indigenous chicken. I'm going to show you the three formulas, that is the chick mash, growers mash and layers mash, and I'm going to show you amounts of feed that we should give to our chickens. And before we get into that, please ensure that to do subscribe to this channel. I do make agriculture videos or agribusiness videos, one video per day. So let's get into it. Chicken feeds are given to our chickens so that they can support production of meat and eggs. And these chicken feeds, when they are not given in the required amount or in little amount, they are not going to support this production, but only they are going to support only maintenance of our chickens. And we have 4 categories of feed components that our feed formulation should contain. First one is energy feeds. These energy feeds include maize, white sorghum, millet, wheat, rice, and their byproducts. And these byproducts are bran polishing. May have the wheat bran, rice bran, and such kind of blends. The other category of feed components is proteins. These proteins should include fish meal, sunflower cake, cotton seed cake, soybean, termites, and insects, and sometimes it may contain worms. The other category of feed components is minerals. These minerals that should be contained in our feeds should be either of the two, either calcium or phosphorus. The other category of feed components that should be available in our feeds is vitamins. These vitamins are either vitamin A or D, and they should come when we give our chicken green fodder or grass. And the last category is premixes. These premixes contain minerals and vitamins that can be purchased from agrovets. Now let's get into the formulation for our feeds. And the first one, I'm going to show you the formula to make 100 kilograms of chick mash. Later I'm going to show you for growers mash and layers mash. And you can get these ingredients either from your local agrovet or from suppliers around your area. So let's get into it. For chick mash 100 kilograms, you'll need grounded maize 40 kilograms, wheat bran 10 kilograms, wheat Poland 20 kilograms, soybean meal 18 kilograms, fish meal 9 kilograms, limestone 2 kilograms, common salt 0.5 kilograms, methionine 0.5 kilograms, lysine 0.02 kilograms, and coccidiostat 0.003. That is 3 grams of coccidiostat for every 100 kilograms of feed, and that will make you 100 kilograms of chick mash. Now let's get into making 100 kilograms of growers mash. We are going to require 35 kilograms of ground maize, wheat bran 10 kilograms, wheat Poland 28 kilograms, soybean meal 15 kilograms, fish meal 7 kilograms, limestone 4 kilograms, common salt 0.5 kilograms, premixes, that is the vitamins and minerals 0.3 kilograms, and coccidiostat 0.03 kilograms. And for these soybeans that I'm mentioning here is that ensure that it is the roasted soybeans, because these roasted soybeans, it has been denatured. The enzyme that makes it not digestible to the chickens has been denatured, and now it is easily absorbable into the system of the chickens. Now let me show you how to make 100 kilograms of layers mash. We are going to require 35 kilograms of grounded maize, wheat bran 4 kilograms, wheat Poland 35 kilograms, soybean meal 9 kilograms, fish meal 8 kilograms, limestone 6 kilograms, common salt 0.6 kilograms, methionine 0.02 kilograms, dicalcium phosphate 0.5 kilograms, and this is required because now our chicken will start laying eggs, and their eggshell is made of calcium, so we should be able to provide for them calcium, and that I've said is 0.5 kilograms. And last but not least, premixes. These are the vitamins and minerals. We should add 2 kilograms for every 100 kilograms of feed, and that totally will give us 100 kilograms of layers mash. And now I'm going to tell you the protein capacity of this feed formulation that we've made, and at what time should we give these feeds. Chick mash contains about 19 to 20% of protein, and between the three formulas is the one with the highest number of, or the highest level of proteins, and it should be offered when the chick is day old up to 8 weeks of age. Now, and for the growers mash, it is between 16 and 17%, and it is the one that is the middle level in terms of protein capacity, and it should be offered from the 9th week up to when the chicken starts to lay. That's about maybe 18 weeks there. And now for the layers mash, it is the one with the least amount of protein, and it is between 15 to 17% protein capacity, and it should be offered to hens when they start to lay. And because now I've told you the formulas, three formulas, and also the amount of protein and when to feed them, now I'm going to tell you the amount of feeds that each of this stage of chickens should feed until the age of 27 weeks and above. Now, and you can see this table on your screen, and you can see that when you keep the free-range chickens and the intensive chicken, this intensive is the one that you keep in deep litter, but they are local chickens or indigenous chicken. You see that when they are in their chick stage, that is between 1st and 3rd week, they are consuming almost the same amount of feeds each and every day. But when from the 4th week going upwards up to the 27th week, see that for free range or semi-intensive, they are consuming less compared to the ones for intensive. I think this is because when the chickens, this for free range and semi-intensive, at this stage now they are able to graze around the compound, and you can also be able to feed them with supplements such as kitchen refuses and other kind of feedstuffs that are not the commercial feeds. And now I hope that this video will be helpful to you, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do. I do post farming videos each and every day, and see you on the next one.